with your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none, and they all think I got the type one. Make one take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here is part 2 to the Hexagon Cardigan video. So after your 6 rows, this is what it should be looking like. And then you're going to have to fold them up so it can turn into the cardigan or sweater that you want. So obviously this is a hexagon, so this is why it looks kind of folded. All you're going to do is, if you have it like this, you fold it like that. You straighten it out. So this from here, even if you have it and you fold it and it looks off, right? It can still look off. It can look like this. This is what we don't want, right? Just keep switching it around until you get it to look like one side of the body. Your arm, and here is the body, right? And then you're going to do the same thing for your other side. And this is what they both should be looking like. Now you should have a little cardigan, big cardigan, whatever size that you want, right? So in order to wear the cardigan, you're going to have to close up the back and close up the sleeves. So I'm going to do that quick. And I'm going to come back. Obviously for the top, you're just going across this side. Then you're just going to go across that side. And then when we're done with that, then I'll show you how to do the back. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show that I'm just going to connect all the way down. I'm going to single crochet this top part where the arm has to go through together. So that's what I'm doing. Okay guys, so now that you have your 2 arm sleeves single crocheted all the way down, I did it to one side, I did it to the other side. So this is what it's looking like again. And as you can see, the sleeves are closed. That's why it looks like this. So now you can choose which side you want to be your back, which side you want to be the front of your cardigan. It really doesn't matter because you're only going up or down this part. So this is all you're going to be single crocheting next. Just one side. That's it. So come back when you have that done, and I will come back when mine's is finished. Okay guys, so once you're done, this is what it should look like. You can tuck all your strings in after or during, before, whatever you want to call it. This is the back. This is what I closed up my single crochets, and now I'm gonna flip it over, and here is the cardigan all finished. Very easy to do. Make sure you go check out part 1 if you just need to see how to close it up. This is an easy tutorial, quick, easy. It didn't need to be 2 parts, but I get busy. But thank you guys for watching. This is the Hexagon Cardigan part 2. You can add sleeves if you would like to see that. Let me know. But this is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, thumbs it up, whatever you decide to do. All is appreciated, and it's very nice.